from the book Expect to Win by Carla Harris. In your first 90 days in any new job, assignment, or responsibility, there are 3 things you must accomplish to establish the foundation for what you can do, will do, and where you will fit into the organization. Number 1, learn the job. Number 2, unspoken rules of the job. Number 3, get to know who the pertinent players are in the organization and understand the key relationships that you have to develop. Again, this is from the Expect to Win book by Carla Harris. In our last series, we discussed making a career shift. Now it's time to get results so that career shift can feel like home. What makes this topic so important in the workplace is the contractual agreement that you sign up for to deliver specific results in return for you to get compensated. Compensation that all hackers negotiate. Compensation that all hackers negotiate. Remember, you signed up for the results that are expected. With that being said, the first step to getting results is to have a clear understanding of your job description. How success will be measured, what resources you have at your disposal to get those results, timelines, milestones, and then confirm. Many of our clients come to us frustrated because they are being asked to do more. And quiet quitting is now a major topic of conversation. The resolution is very simple. Gain alignment early and consistently, and then get results. Here are your 4 hacks this week to help you get results. Number 1, know what it takes to get your paycheck every pay period. Your boss may or may not be clear on the front side, but you better be sure you ask follow-up questions so there's no confusion about what it is that it takes to get your check every week. Number 2, now that we have clarity on what is expected, it is time, as Carla Harris mentioned, to learn your job. I'm going to take it a step further and say this is the step I'd like to call complete immersion. The depth and breadth of understanding you gain in a compact period of time within the first 30 to 45 days will enable you to get results, achieve success, and personal fulfillment in your role. There may be things communicated around gaining alignment that you need development on, or complete bottom-up education. Be sure to communicate those needs during the alignment conversations. And that's with an S behind conversations because that should be more than one conversation. Number 3, learn, do simultaneously. This has been a staple for me throughout my life. As soon as I learn it, I immediately do it to reinforce learning and to get on the path of getting results. Do not sit back your entire training period without actively doing everything you learn immediately. Ask tons of questions and repeat with every key learning that it will take to be successful. Number 4, understand the pain points of who came before you. This will ensure you know why you are here and where you will secure early wins. By knowing those pain points of who came before you, you can quickly secure early wins. These could be things that the previous person in your role was unsuccessful in doing before getting promoted, or they failed to do and were terminated. These will be quick wins and showcase your ability to be a rising star within that organization. In the book, The First 90 Days by Michael Watkins, he shared 3 questions around focusing your energy. Number 1, how much emphasis will you place on learning as opposed to doing? Number 2, how much emphasis will you place on offense as opposed to defense? Number 3, what should you do to get some early wins? So let's run it back. Number 1, know what it takes to get your check. Number 2, complete immersion. Number 3, learn, do simultaneously. Number 4, understand the pain points of the person that came before you. Your ability to plant your feet on the ground and confirm that the recruiter, hiring manager, and every person involved made the absolute best decision when they hired you is paramount. I hope these hacks give you some things to reflect on for your upcoming career shift, promotion, change in organization, or if you're just simply needing to reset to get results. And until next time, I love you.